Here we have verse 36 of the 11th chapter of the Gospel of John. Jesus has been escorted to the place where Lazarus had been buried. He'd arrived too late, of course, in the views of many, to heal Lazarus, to keep him from going through this experience of death. And from the point of view of many people who are observing this, he's probably just coming to this place in order to mourn there, the way many others had. And of course, as they observe Jesus, they notice that he breaks down weeping. That's really the force of the preceding verse, indicating that Jesus wept, and it's a sincere weeping. It involves tears, it involves grief, and they would probably have surmised from that Jesus himself is somewhat helpless to do anything about it. It's too late at this point. And nevertheless, they note the affection that Jesus has, and we have that note here in this verse 36, elegon. This is from lego. It's the third person plural, imperfect active indicative of that verb. It means I say. Here it's they were saying, the imperfect. Un, postpositive conjunction, they were saying, therefore. Hoi udaioi, the Jews, these people who had gathered at this point in order to participate in the mourning with respect to Lazarus, giving comfort to the two sisters. They were saying, therefore, as they observed Jesus, then ide, this is derived from edo, which means to see, but it actually functions as a kind of interjection. So behold or look, post, the indeclinable adverb, how, look how, and then ephile. This is from phileo. It means to love. It's the kind of love that is usually reciprocal. It has to do with more warm human fellowship, a deep kind of affection for someone. It's distinguished from agape, which I like to call cold-blooded love, love that simply functions as an expression of the one who is doing the loving, irrespective of the person that is being loved and their particular lovability, that idea. This is the true affection that is part of friendship and so on. So they note, behold how ephile, this is the third person singular, imperfect active indicative. Look how he was loving him. In other words, the direct object of that, auton, is the masculine singular accusative pronoun. So the Jews who are standing there, these people who were witnessing this, are really amazed, apparently, kind of surprised at the extent to which Jesus now displays his evident love for the one who apparently has now been lost to the clutches of death.